What's up, Sunny fam? My name is Alexa. Thanks for joining me today for a 15-minute mobility workout. We're gonna do 5 exercises for 60 seconds each, 2 rounds through. The importance of today's workout is to help us get a little bit more movement in our body. It's gonna help us to move through our days pain-free, and it's gonna get a lot of movement in our muscles as well as our joints. So we're gonna start with a quick warm-up and then we'll get into the workout. So taking both feet together, rolling the shoulders back and down. Let's take a deep breath in. Exhale, release. One more time, deep breath in, and exhale, release. We're gonna reach up nice and tall. Think about lengthening the spine, really separating each vertebra. We're gonna big lean to one side, stretching out that oblique. And on that next exhale, we're gonna switch, take it to that other side. Perfect, coming back to the center, we're gonna bring the arms down, taking it to a little chest opener. And then as we swing through this, I want you to think about taking the thumbs to the back wall, opening up the chest, and just continuing to breathe through this. Good, we got a couple more here. Nice, we got 4, 3, 2, last one. Perfect. We're gonna take a deep breath in, exhale, fold. I want you to feel the stretch in the hamstrings. Take that deep breath in and exhale to fold. We're gonna continue to move through this. As we get a little bit warmer, starting to increase the stretch, reaching a little bit closer to the toes and to the floor. And then how's your breathing? Deep breath in, exhale, fold. Good, we're gonna do 2 more here. And last one, nice and strong. Can we make this our deepest stretch? We're gonna hang out in the forward fold. Reaching for the toes, we're gonna bend the knees and then straighten. Bend the knees and then straighten. So every time we straighten out the knees, I want us to think about reaching a little bit further to the floor so we really feel that deep stretch in the back of the legs. Perfect, we got 2 more. And last one. Perfect, bend the knees. We're gonna roll up 1 vertebrae at a time. Taking the feet a little bit wider, we're gonna move into a little rotation and just starting to squish the bug with the back toe, getting some movement in the torso, and warming up our core a little bit because we are gonna use it throughout this workout. Perfect, we got 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nicely done, team. All right, we're gonna get started with our first workout, our first exercise. We're gonna take it to the edge of the mat. We start with a deep breath in, exhale, fold just like we saw. Walk it out, find a high plank. Hold it here for a second. Walk it back up, feel the stretch in the hamstrings, and reset. We got 1 minute on the clock in 3, 2, 1. Take that deep breath in, exhale, fold hands to the floor, walk it out, find the plank, walk it back up, feel the stretch in the hamstrings, deep breath in. Now, as we're moving through this, take your time. Each body is different, so we have a whole minute here to do as many or as little reps as feels comfortable for you. Nice, we got 30 seconds down, 30 seconds to go. This was one of my favorites. I used to love to use this for a warm-up and for a cool down. I feel like it gets really deep into the hips and really sets me up for my day. Deep breath in. We're gonna hit 1 more here. Back up and restacking. Nicely done, team. We're gonna come down to the floor. Exercise 2 is gonna start in a wide second position. Arms are gonna come up. They're gonna stack on top of each other, shoulders back. We rotate, reach for the toes, back up and switch. In 3, 2, 1. Nice and strong with the posture. Exhale, rotate, big forward fold. Now tapping back into the breathing, we inhale to stack, exhale to rotate, inhale to reach, back up strong. Perfect, really getting deep into the hamstrings, and then exhale using the core into our big twist. If you'd like to get a little bit deeper, point your toes to the back wall. We got 30 seconds down, 30 seconds to go. I hope you guys are feeling your obliques because I am. As we're getting a little bit more into this, can we make the stretch deeper? Can you reach all the way to your toes? Beautiful, we got our last 3, 2, 1, and rest. Nice work. We're gonna flip it around, finding a plank. Now, option here is gonna be on the knees, challenge is on the toes. We take a big step forward by the front hand, rotate towards that leg, back to the center and switch. Option is here on the knees. We start this up in 3, 2, 1. Big step forward by the hand, big rotation towards that leg, back to the center and switch. Perfect breathing. Again, option is on the knees here. We can big step forward, open up that hip flexor, big rotation towards that leg, back to the center, and then switch. Nice work, team. We got 30 seconds down, 30 seconds to go. Now, if you've been using that modified version and you're ready to try that plank version, go for it. You got the time. Perfect. Last 10 seconds. Get a couple more strong reps on each side. Three, 2, 1, and rest. Perfect. Flipping it around, taking a seat. We're going to continue to work on our mobility in the hips. We're going to kind of sit in a staggered position here. Chest is nice and open. Let's start with our hands behind us. Feet are glued to the floor. We're going to big rotation one side and then big rotation on the other. We got 60 seconds in 3, 2, 1. 1 minute on the clock. Now the idea here is that our feet are staying nice and connected to the floor and our knees are what's moving side to side. So we're focusing on the hips. As we're feeling a little bit more confident, sit a little bit more upright, get a little bit closer to the feet, and then if you're ready for a challenge, hands off. Don't worry, next round we're gonna make this a little bit harder. And again, just option, hands right back down. Breathing. Big rotation with the hips. We have our last 10 seconds here, a couple more strong reps. Again, if you want to move into that challenge, go for it. Good, we got 5, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Perfect. Getting into our last exercise in round 1. Coming down onto the stomach, we're gonna send one arm straight out to the side. We're gonna take other hand by the underarm, and we have a big rotation, opening up the chest and shoulders. And then we rotate to the other side, big rotation, chest and shoulders. 3, 2, 1. We got 1 minute on the clock. Big rotation. And we rotate. Now you can rest your head on the floor as you twist. That way we're keeping that tension off the neck and really just keeping it on the chest and on the shoulders. If you want to make this a little bit softer, bring your hand a little bit lower, and it's a little bit softer on the shoulder. If you want to make it a little bit harder, bring that hand up a little bit higher. We have 20 seconds left here. Finishing out round 1 strong. This is another great one, especially if you work on a computer. This will really help reverse that posture that we're in all day. We got 1 more strong rep. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Perfect. Toes together, knees out. Send it back into a child's pose. Lengthen out the arms. And we're gonna roll up 1 vertebrae at a time, coming back up to standing. We're getting into round 2. Now, some of these are gonna change. Some of them are gonna stay the same. So just being prepared for a little bit of a progression because I know you guys are ready. We're gonna start with our feet a little bit wider this time. We got a deep breath in. We're gonna exhale, drop into a deep squat, walk it out into a plank, walk it back into the squat, and stack it back up. We got 1 minute in 3, 2, 1. Deep breath in, exhale, drop, squat. Eyes up, chest up, hands to the floor, into the plank. Walk it back, eyes up, chest up before we stand up. Deep breath in. Again, this is your workout. You have a whole minute to do as few or as many reps as feels good for you. We got 20 seconds left here. And this is the last time we're gonna see this exercise. So your challenge, get deeper into the squat. Perfect, we got finishing our last one strong. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Coming down to the floor, we're getting back into our wide second position. This one's gonna stay exactly the same. Feet are wide, arms are stacked, nice strong posture. Exhale, rotate and reach in 3, 2, 1. We got 1 minute. Woo. So I don't know about you guys, but I feel a little bit more flexible this time. And if that's you, try to get a little bit further. Really reach for the toe, hug the toe. Back up and switch. Now checking in with your posture. As our arms move into the stack, shoulders are back and down, and we're really sitting tall in the hips versus slouching down. So think that there is a string coming from the top of your head to the bottom of your hips, and it's really lengthening through the body, separating each of your vertebrae. Perfect, team. We got 15 seconds left here. A couple more strong ones. My left side's a little bit tighter than my right. We got 3, 2, 1, and rest. Nicely done. Coming down, flipping it around, finding a plank. We're gonna get back into our runner's lunge. This time, we have a rotation. We take the arm behind us for a little bit of a shoulder opener, back to the center and switch. In 3, 2, 1. Big step, big rotation. Take your arm behind you, back around, plank it out, big switch. And this one always feels really nice. Now again, option, take it to the knee. Listening to your body, picking the position that works best for you. On the knees, pressing forward, hip flexor, open. We got 30 seconds down, 30 seconds to go. Now, as you're getting a little bit warmer, can we really reach that arm around the body, look over that shoulder? Perfect. Let's hit one more here. Nice and strong. Making this our best one. Back to the center and rest. Perfect. Taking it into a seated position. We're going back into our hip mobility. We're gonna change this one. So hands are gonna start behind us. We rotate, we're gonna add a big reach, and we come back to the center. Other side, big reach in 3, 2, 1. We got 1 minute. Rotate, reach towards the back leg. Rotate, reach towards the back leg. Now, of course, you can reach to the front leg, reaching this way, but let's get that stretch a little bit deeper into that hip and reach towards me. Now, as you're ready for that challenge, hands off. Still getting into that big reach. Whew. So all those obliques we work in all of our other exercises, they tend to get a little bit sore. So here we really get to work through it and help give them that mobility that they need. Perfect, team. We got 15 seconds left here. That's it. Perfect. Reaching far. Try to touch my hands and coming back up. Perfect. We got 3, 2, 1, and rest. Getting into our last exercise, last minute of work. We come down to the floor. This one has no change in it. We're gonna send the arm out to the side, hand by the underarm, big rotation into the shoulder, and switch. We got 1 minute on the clock in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Now maybe this time your body is feeling like, okay, let's take that hand a little bit higher. Let's get a little bit deeper into that shoulder. If that's you, don't be afraid to go for that challenge. If you're not quite ready yet, keep the hand low. That's great. Now if you want to get a little bit deeper, really send that knee back. There we go, letting your body kind of take over so you can take full advantage of this stretch. Perfect, we got 20 seconds left here, holding strong. And we got a couple more strong reps, last one on each side. And 3, 2, 1, perfect. Coming back to the center, toes together, knees out. Send the hips back into a child's pose, arms are nice and long. And just breathe, release the low back, lengthen out the arms. When you're ready, on your next exhale, roll on up one vertebrae at a time. You can rotate to face me. We're gonna go big reach to one side, big reach to the other. And staying seated on the heels, we're gonna big twist. Other side, big twist. Coming back to center, we got a deep breath in and exhale, release. Nice job, everybody. Again, my name's Alexa. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys feel really good through the rest of your day.